AAG recommends this cozy one-bedroom condo, situated in an excellent location in the heart of CBD. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Large wardrobe space for your clothing collection. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light. Outdoor kitchen for your favorite Asian cooking. Come home to this amazing view. Generous size lap pool. On-site laundrette for your laundry needs. Chilling out with your guest at this cozy corner. Check out these amazing facilities. Check out this rare feature. Relax yourself in this jacuzzi. Enjoy exceptional view from your home. Available now at attractive price. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.